Hey guys, today I have an unboxing for you. I am posting this early in the event I lose power. There's a big storm headed out where I am. This, as you can see, is a very exciting item. Here is a look at the tag. This is a 2016 model designed by Alice Shirley. I have another video from her coming soon, and it's hard to see, but it does say Hermes. Let me go ahead and open this. Beautiful scarf. Here's a look at the bottom. This is the orange and blue colorway. Just look at this color, so vibrant. And it does say Alice Shirley. Let's go ahead and put this over the other side. And then we'll open it. It's just easier to see the details on this. And here's where it does say Jaguar Quetzal. And I'll explain that in a minute. Again, just look at the details on this butterfly. Can't imagine seeing this original artwork. So I've tried to spread this out. It's pretty big, so it's hard to do so. But you can see the jaguar's face here. And it has an Aztec headdress on because it is a sacred animal in South America. I love that it's been curled up, and you can see the tail here. You can see, as with all Hermes scarves, the edges are hand rolled. And it's just a beautiful piece to add to a collection, so I'm quite happy. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content.